First, wash the fresh mangoes thoroughly. Peel the skin off completely. Now add the mango cubes into a blender. Pour in the chilled milk and add some sugar. Throw in a few ice cubes to make it cold. Add vanilla ice cream and a pinch of cardamom powder. Secure the lid on the blender jar. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. The frozen chunks and ice will break down quickly. Continue until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Remove the lid and take a quick taste. If it's too thick, add a little more milk. Secure the lid back on the blender. Blend again for just a few seconds. Grab your chilled glasses. Pour the thick mixture smoothly. Fill them up to the same level. Pour in the remaining milkshake. Place a scoop of ice cream on top. Add some fresh mango cubes. Finish with chopped nuts and mint. Enjoy your shake immediately.